This video will cover creating a new job in HeavyJob from a HeavyBid export. In HeavyBid, open the job that is going to be exported to HeavyJob. In this case, I'm going to use our help demo estimate. On the Exchange menu, select HeavyJob and Accounting from the export side. Within the HeavyJob and Accounting export option, go on the Cost Codes tab and make sure that the HeavyJob code is populated. If it is not, you can use the Copy Options button in the bottom right corner to copy the bid item or activity code to the HeavyJob code. Alternatively, you can also populate it manually by typing in the field and using down to save. Copy options. We're going to copy the bid item to the HeavyJob code, and we're going to apply the option. It will copy everything. Clear codes in the bottom right. Clear the HeavyJob code. Clear. We can also use the copy options to create a special code using the bid item and the activity separated by nothing, a hyphen, or a chosen separator. We'll use a hyphen. Okay. Now my codes are my bid item dash my activity. On the HeavyJob Options tab, we can use the direct link if both programs are on the same computer. Both HeavyBid and HeavyJob are on the same computer. Or you can use the file name field, the three-dot button, to select a file name and location. In this case, I will just put this on the desktop and name it Help Demo and hit save. On the bottom right, export. We'll export it to the file location labeled here. We can also choose to export the cost codes including workers' comp, export the material, subcontractor, tractor, and expense list, export advanced budgets, export using the labor. We have multiple options there. To add or update using the HeavyJob main code, or update using HeavyJob HeavyBid code, or not at all. Also export equipment using the same options as export labor. Have billing options to export the pay items using the bid item code as a pay item code, or the DOT line number as a pay item code, or an alternate revenue code, or not at all. We can export HeavyBid and subcontractor resources as subs to HeavyJob. We can also export the miscellaneous resources as subcontractors to HeavyJob. We can organize HeavyJob subcontractors by their resource code or their vendor. We have options for using the direct link to link to the dispatcher, and also using the premium factors. If we do choose to use direct link, all other HeavyBid users must have this estimate closed before creating the export or direct link file. So once we're sure that everybody is out, we can hit export. Export is complete. Okay. And now we'll switch to HeavyJob. In HeavyJob, we can go to File, New, from HeavyBid Export. This top field is where our file location for our HeavyBid export file is. Hit the Browse button. We know we saved it on the desktop. And there's the XML file for our help demo. Open. The second field is the folder of jobs. This generally won't change. It's the folder that all the jobs in HeavyJob are saved to. This is the third field is the source job. Generally, this will be your job master, unless it's a job that's related to an addendum from another job, or extra work from another job, or a similar type of work as a previous job. We can specify a different job code and change the job name here as well. Then we click Create Job in the bottom right corner. We get a pop-up box saying Import from HeavyBid process is complete. Hit OK. Takes us to our default diary screen. If we were going to go to Setup Cost Codes, Our cost codes are set up as they were set up in HeavyBid, where they're 10-A for clear and grub, 10-B for remove and haul, and on down the line. Information is pulled over in the way that it was set up before.